is up, everybody, and welcome to the channel. Well, today we got the 2nd gen Ram mud truck to show truck in the spray booth, so that means we are going to start laying some color down on it. As you can see, Jeff is already back taping and taping all the door jambs so we can start spraying on this. But if you're new to the channel, hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. And if we didn't win your subscription on this video, well, maybe in the next one we will. Well, we got the truck here in the booth, and how did we do that? Well, we had to start it up, and about a month ago we did a little pre-start to the truck to make sure it turned over, and then we hooked everything up. But let me run that video of us first firing up the project truck.
It doesn't have any fuel in it.
It has to if it's running.
It took a while.
You got a spark out the side.
Oh.
You got a big spark flying out the side over here.
Where was it coming out?
Right off the side.
Up into the top of the...
By the valve cover there on the top someplace.
Well, we got power there or something that's...
Right out of here.
There's someplace around in there.
Well, that ain't good.
Where is it coming out of, Rich?
The angle I saw, I just saw him shooting out of this way.
You know, the ignition, I would say. Is this tight?
Yeah.
There's no fire coming out of the header, is there?
You might get a better look at it on the video.
Yeah, there.
It's all going. I'll just...
Alright.
You guys ready? Yell out when I drop the keys because you guys... I was watching Rich saying cut it up. Rich, you let me know, or Jeff, you yell. You ready?
Mm. Was that plug wire I pushed down?
What's
That's
that?
what
Yeah,
it was.
I
plug
pushed
wire.
it down.
What did it arc?
Yeah.
What was it?
You didn't have this pushed down good enough because that's
Oh.
the first thing I look for is that.
Well, she's starting to smoke now.
Well, it's the headers.
And the
That'll
headers
burn
are
off for a
paint.
while. Well, at least she runs.
Woo! That's a wrap! That was just a little clip of us firing up the truck. But now that we have it in the booth here, so let me give you a little walk around, and then I'm going to show you on how we got the truck over here in the booth. So as you can see, Jeff is back taping all the door jambs, because tonight we are going to start putting this undercolor. And if you want to know more about Jeff's Auto Body and Customs, check out the link in the description below. I'll put that down there along with the rest of them. So make sure you run over to his social media website and give him a big thumbs up. So here is the back of the truck that we are going to be painting here shortly. And we got a lot of cleanup here to do. And as you can see, the body work that we had to do. And I just don't want to get in Jeff's way on the other side. So here on this side, I'll show you some of the body work and I'll explain to you what we did on the other side. Jeff practically rebuilt from the hinges on both sides all the way down across the bottom, the rockers, and including the cab corners. So basically from here, of the whole truck was all replaced. And the other side was a lot worse than this side. And here's a little sneak peek at the color that we were putting it on. And if you guys do follow the channel, you would have seen that in an earlier video. I gave you guys a surprise in one of the other videos, so go back and check that out. So let me show you a little video clip of us getting the truck over here into the spray booth. You'll clear it. So that's basically how we did it. We didn't even have the radiator hooked up or anything like that because we did not run the truck long enough to get it heated up that it would affect anything. So once we get the paint on the cab, we are going to be putting it right next door here in the same shop to start reassembling it. And then we're going to be bringing the other body parts and panels and whatnot inside the booth, and we are going to start laying some color down on that. But if you have any questions about this paint that we're using, which I'm not going to release the color of it yet, or maybe in the future, I don't know if we're going to or not, but if you have any questions about the paint color or looking for a custom color, check out Matthews Auto Supplies in Wilkes-Barre, PA. Ask for Mary Jo and tell her you've seen the video and that you're looking for something different, and she'll steer you in the right direction. Well guys, the next video, maybe you'll start seeing some color laying down. Well, I hope you like this video. So till next time, I'm Joe. Jeff is back there masking off. Driving trucks and hunting bucks is how we roll with Wicked Fabz.